just as the title says, PlayStation Classic, $19.99. Some people were stacking coupons and getting it for even less. At $20 for 2 controllers and the console, and it's hackable, how could one say no? It's nice to just have one. So I ordered 2 in order to get free shipping. I didn't do it on Amazon Prime Day, but I bought it from Best Buy. So ordered on 7/18/2019. So here we are with the PlayStation Classic. This is actually my first really big hands-on. A friend of mine had one. I never jumped on the train to get one, but at $20, I was like, this is cheaper than Raspberry Pi, and I've seen people playing NES and Super NES, and a lot of the retro consoles on here. So the fact that the processor on here is powerful enough to play all that stuff, I was like, for 20 bucks and the controllers, how could you say no? So I got to, something I did notice though, is it says AC power supply not included. They give you the USB cord, they just don't give you the AC power adapter, so you need the little block. A lot of those cell phone chargers and things like that may work for this, and we'll check that out in a second. But really quick, just checking out the box. Sony, are you ready to play? I was thinking even with my second one, I might sell it. I was thinking also, it's a great gift. Like, how stoked would you be if you got gifted this? It was only cost me 20 bucks. It's like a $50 value. Well, it depends on who you are, but good stuff. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. So good packaging so far. All right, then you have the outer shell here, and then very basic, just the PlayStation logo. So what do you have? You have the instruction manual and you have the PlayStation. One thing off the bat I noticed is all the fonts, and it just really does look like the original. When you're buying some of these Raspberry Pi cases that I'm used to, these cases, they're usually not as nice. It has rubber feet, it has nice ventilation, it has little arrows telling you where the screw holes are. And I believe you can open this up, right? No? Can you not open it? Oh man, I was hoping you could open it. So you got a power button that does work. Reset button probably works, I would imagine, but you have a little faux open button. Ventilation on both sides. On the back, you have a little slot here. You have HDMI and then your power in. Now, something they didn't skimp on is you get the power cord, just not the block, and you get 2 PlayStation 1 controllers. PlayStation controllers are great for Super Nintendo, and then that's kind of interesting. You'd imagine it to have that, I always just think of this as having that big, long connector, but it's just a USB connector. I imagine you can use these controllers for RetroPie and other things as well. You do get an HDMI cable and then another controller. So you get 2 manuals here, one in Spanish, one in English. I like how they put this asterisk. Use an AC adapter that supports 5 volt, 1 amp USB Type A output. However, there's no guarantee that all AC adapters are compatible with your console. If anybody's wondering about how big are these, they're 5.8 inches by 1.3 by 4.1 millimeters, 149 by 33 by 105. That's width, height, depth. All right, here we are on first boot. I am using the Raspberry Pi 2500 milliamp at 5 volt, and we're gonna go ahead and do English. Quit the game and go to the home screen. Hit the reset button, okay? Change the virtual distance. Oh, so that button does do something. Okay, cool. All right, health and safety. All right, so here's the original games that were included. Oh, you can change the settings. You can see what your memory card is. There's even guides. Cool. And then settings, health and safety settings, screensaver setting. Oh, this is just settings for the whole system, not just this game, huh? Okay. Let's go ahead and turn the screensaver on. Okay, off. Let's go back. Cool. So there you go. Here's your games. Final Fantasy. I mean, that's cool that they included it. Grand Theft Auto. I used to love that game. But not a lot of games on here. You know, oh, Fridge Racer. Cool. Still, I mean, for $20 plus the power supply, so $24. You know, not bad. Let's go ahead and run a game here. Let's play. The controllers themselves, they're fine. I mean, they seem like the original PlayStation controllers. They're very light. As far as controller length, that is also an issue, but USB extensions are really cheap. I mean, it's fine for me, but if you have a big living room, I want to say this is about, what, 3.5, 4 feet?
Grand Theft Auto.
Dang, landed one. Oh, you didn't get out for that. There's a pistol over here, though.
There's a 1035 and
Oh, we got a cop on us.
You're listening to Head Radio.
Whoop, wrong way.
The Network Show with Eddie Simmons.
All right, I got that. I was like, what's that noise? We got the 5.0 on it.
Hold it.
Busted. Alright. Oh, cool. If you pause it. Alright, let's hit the reset on our kit. Do you want to delete the existing resume point and save a new one? Sure, let's do that. Okay, so there's my resume point now. That's cool. And my memory card. I have one saved from earlier. Alright, I wanted to check out Ridge Racer 4. 1999, people. Going back in time.
Real Racing.
Look at that horsepower. The whole front end is just lifting. I like how I started last. Great. And this is running pretty good. Oh, get off my line, bro. I mean, the PSP version is definitely better. To the line. I've got the drive on him. Got him. do this.
Ready? Fight!
かかってこい。行くぞ。よし、いい感じだ。よし。
Here we go. You guys ready for this?
どうだ。波動拳。そうだ。波動拳。
Take that. How do you get?
いい感じだ。行くぞ。
That was easy money. Easy money. Alright, so there you have it. The PlayStation Classic, way after its initial release. I'm way late to the game, but I'm also glad I didn't spend full price on this thing. Got 2 of them, and they make a great gift, and you can hack them now. All the hacks are totally available. I will be making other videos of me hacking them. I want to try Bleem Sync and Auto Bleem both, and give them both a try and see which one I like best. But the fact that I can get Nintendo working on here and other systems is just great. I'm absolutely gonna hack it. I mean, even if I brick it, who cares? I don't think I am gonna brick it, but I'm just saying, for those of you out there, like, you don't have a lot to lose. When the SNES and NES Classic came out, if you were to brick those were a little pricier. So there you have it. PlayStation Classic. Is it worth $20? Heck yeah. 25? Heck yeah. 30 is really where now you are competing against some other devices that are pretty much as cool. But the fact that this comes with a sick case and the controllers and 20 free games to get started is really what sets it apart. It's not necessarily a great computer itself. So there you go. Buying a PS Classic later. Let me know what you all think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.